different types of navigation. The first one is celestial navigation. In the celestial navigation, the navigator uses celestial bodies to determine his location. In the voyage, you need to look at the several celestial bodies to know where are the perfect location to do some preparations before the turning of the vessel, controlling of the vessel after the turn, and the continuously monitoring of the position of the vessel. The second one is the terrestrial and coastal navigation. In this type of navigation, the navigator uses the shape of landmarks along the coast, the direction of the coastline. In the voyage, you need to look at the map where you can see the landmarks along the coast and the coastline to know where you are going to turn, where are you gonna control the vessel to its correct position, and monitoring the location of the vessel in the map. The third one is the electronic navigation. In this navigation, you are using motion sensors to calculate your new position relative to the starting position. In the voyage, you are using motion sensors or electronic machines, computers, to go to your destination. Next one is the radio navigation. In this navigation, you are using radio waves to measure the direction to a radio source. In the voyage, you are using GPS or using radio waves to locate your location by other radio towers. Next is radar navigation. It is mostly used to avoid collisions when you are close to land or other ships. In the voyage, you need to locate your vessel location to the radar to know if there are other ships or shallow places before turning the vessel, and you must control the vessel to its correct position to avoid collisions to land, and must monitor the radar for the safety. Next is the satellite navigation. It is the most used form of navigation nowadays. In the voyage, you need to locate the location of the satellites to locate your position at sea. For navigation tools, dividers. It allows you to measure distance in nautical miles used in conjunction with the latitude scale. You need to place point of the dividers at point A and the other point of the dividers at point B. Technical compass. Used for inscribing circles and arcs to measure distances. Parallel ruler. Allows you to maintain the same angle doing the chart by alternating the monitor moving edge and holding down the non-moving edge. Protractor. The beam's protractor is used to lay off course or bearing, measure distance between 2 points, plot a position on a chart from a given set of coordinates, or determine coordinates of position on a chart.